Chapter 19. Painting pictures is pretty standard training in Timeshare. Of course, we all do it. A great tip on painting pictures to your clients is to use the 5 senses when you paint the dream. It's a known fact that buying timeshare is an emotional purchase backed up by logic. One of the best ways to really get the client's emotions going is to paint pictures in their mind of where they can go and what they can do once they own your timeshare. Take this to the next level. When you paint the dream in the client's mind, use the 5 senses. See, smell, feel, hear, taste. Take a notice when you watch the adverts on the TV, when you see a Coke or a Pepsi ad. You hear the can being opened, the ice in the glass, the drink being poured, and the sound of the fizz. This triggers your mind to think refreshing cold drink. Companies spend millions of dollars to come up with the best ads that get the clients' minds thinking into buying their product. You have it even better because you have the clients right in front of you. You can tailor your painting pictures to trigger the hot spots you picked up from your warm-up. This is so powerful and plays a big part in putting yourself in the position of opportunity for making a sale. Take a look at your presentation and review how you can add the 5 senses when you're painting pictures. Remember, Mary's mind does not buy the 2-bed villa in the luxury resort. Her mind buys the kids having their own room and her husband with no BlackBerry giving her his full attention. John's mind does not buy the fact that you can swap for an exchange fee. He buys the kids at the kids club and the wife sunbathing by the pool while he plays golf on a championship golf course with an ice box of cool beers. The above will get the client's emotions going. Try and reword these and involve the 5 senses. Use the senses, trigger the emotions. If the clients can hear, see, feel, taste and smell it in their mind, they will be more likely to buy. Fact.